You might be thinking you're comparing, but what's actually happening is self doubt. Comparatitis is a disease. It's a disease of your confidence and your sense of abilities. And this card is going to show you exactly why. No, you're not seeing double. You're seeing the Explore Your Beauty card. It is also the front of the deck. And it's absolutely by design that this card is both an individual card and the front of the deck, because exploring the beauty within you is the most paramount activity, soul play activity that you can do for yourself, because you are an amazing human being. I mean, the cells in your organism that is do millions of things every nanosecond for you. That if that's not enough to celebrate who you are, your DNA, uniqueness, right? But on top of the fact that you are the only you walking this planet right now. And this card shows up when you're not thinking that, when there's self doubt, when you're comparing yourself to other people's results, other people's expectations, and other people's way of being, and you're feeling uncertain. This is an internal challenge, it's not external. This card reveals your uniqueness is your power, it is your brilliance. So it's about shifting your energy. It is an air card, after all. So it's overthinking and over doubting yourself. It's a mind shift that needs to take place. So when you're stuck in the pattern of comparativitis, the disease, we need to shift that and say, that's them. I'm unique and I'm brilliant and I am beautiful. And when you start seeing and feeling and sensing that, then you get more creative in finding solutions and taking actions and finding more self fulfillment in being you. So pause and observe what's actually happening when you start self judging. Right now, where are you judging yourself? Where am I not seeing the beauty in me? And what would happen when, not if, I shift this? You don't need to overthink this. We need to realign your mindset for greater joy, harmony, and peace in your life. So take a look at the descriptions. It'll talk to you a little bit more about the Explore the Beauty card, but it will also talk to you about the Oracle of the Lake and how it can help you shift your mind, your emotions, your sense of being, so that your beautiful self shows up in the world the way we need it.